Zig and Time Back YouTube channel. We're here at Eisteddfod Genedlaethol on Wrexham, the National Eisteddfod in Wrexham. It's very, very busy. As you can see, it's absolutely chock-a-block with people, which is always good to see. Many thousands of Welsh speakers. So for those of you who are watching who are either from Wales or not from Wales, I don't know, you're probably wondering what exactly is the Eisteddfod. So the name itself means a sitting together, and that's truly the heart of it all. It's a huge annual week-long festival that travels around Wales, celebrating Welsh language and culture. We're talking about competitions in everything from poetry and prose to singing, dancing and drama. But it's not just about the serious stuff, it's a massive party with live music.
Diolch yn fawr iawn. Felly, da ni wedi swyno chi bore yma'n dod o'r betsos, efo'r tenoriaid.
Food stalls and a fantastic, friendly atmosphere. It's the biggest cultural festival of its kind in Europe. So, a little history. The Eisteddfod tradition is ancient, with its roots going all the way back to the year 1176. The story goes that a Welsh prince, Lord Rhys, held a huge gathering of poets and musicians at his castle in Cardigan. He essentially created the first Eisteddfod to find the best bards and musicians in the land. The modern National Eisteddfod, as we know it today, however, started in 1861 and has been held every year since, which is pretty impressive. It moves between North and South Wales, East and West. A huge part of the tradition is the Gorsedd of Bards. Don't worry, they're not scary. They're an association of writers and artists who wear ceremonial robes, and they're the ones who award the festival's most prestigious prizes like the chair and the crown for poetry. And this year, the Eisteddfod has come to Wrexham, which is really good for the local area and the town. Some will say city, obviously, because that's his official title. So basically this year, from the 2nd of August to the 9th of August, it's taking place over the Maes, or the festival field. It's in Eisteddfod, which is just basically on the Wrexham industrial estate, near the Kellogg's factory. Just a few miles outside of Wrexham. It's probably, I would say it's a 10-minute drive. However, with the traffic around the area, it took about an hour and a half to 90 minutes to travel from my village in Gwersyll to get there, which is 4 miles down the road, so not particularly good. Absolutely massive for Wrexham though, you know, in line with everything else that's going on with the football club and everything like that. This is huge. For those who have never been, I would recommend everyone get down to the Eisteddfod, whether it's this year, next year or in the future. It's a huge opportunity to experience Welsh culture firsthand, whether you're a fluent Welsh speaker or learner or just even speaking English. Everyone there who's on the stalls, the vendors, the performers, the artists, you name it, they all speak Welsh to some degree. Most of them are very fluent, often first language, but there's a lot of learners there. But again, they all speak English. It'd be very rare to find anybody today who doesn't speak English from any community within Wales, who are first language Welsh speakers. There's always a bilingual element to it, but there is something for everyone at this event. It honestly a huge recommendation from me and anyone who's been, to go and just absorb Wales, the Welsh culture, the Welsh language. Very passionate about it myself, being a Welshman. I am bilingual to a degree, not as much as my kids. Both my kids are fluent Welsh speakers, they both go to a Welsh school, but I do understand and can speak the language. So honestly, get down there, soak up the atmosphere, and if you don't get a chance this year, next year, and in future years, I do recommend you find tickets and get it booked.
Enw'r ganes o da ni'n chwarae i Eisteddfod ac ia, mae'n fraint pobl yma heddiw chwarae chi. Diolch. A beth mae pawb yn cael Eisteddfod, felly dyma grafft.
Thanks for checking this latest video from the Taking Time Back YouTube channel. Always appreciate everyone's support, whether it's viewing, liking, commenting, but please, again, hit that subscribe button for future content and everything else that we provide. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.